This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use a data transfer cable. First, identify the appropriate cable for your devices, such as a USB-C to USB-A or a Thunderbolt cable. Ensure both devices are powered on and ready for connection. Carefully plug one end of the cable into the designated port on your source device. Then, connect the other end of the cable to the corresponding port on your destination device. This establishes the physical link for data exchange. Once connected, your devices should recognize each other, often with a notification. Open your computer's File Explorer or any specific transfer software. Navigate to the files or folders you intend to transfer. You can select individual items or entire directories. Then, simply drag and drop them to the desired location on the other device or use the copy and paste functions. This begins the actual data movement. During the transfer, a progress bar will typically show the remaining time and data volume. It's crucial to avoid disconnecting the cable until the transfer is 100% complete to prevent data corruption. If the transfer doesn't start, check your device drivers or try a different USB port. Sometimes, simply restarting both devices can resolve minor connection issues, ensuring a smooth process. After the transfer is finished, always safely eject the connected device from your computer's operating system. This prevents potential data loss or corruption. Once ejected, you can safely disconnect the cable from both devices. Store your cables neatly to avoid kinks or damage, which can affect future performance. Using high-quality, certified cables ensures faster and more reliable data transfers, often at speeds up to 10 gigabits per second.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.